Is Share My Location not working on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video I will walk you through simple and effective steps to fix the issue quickly. Step 1. Turn on location services. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. If it's disabled, your iPhone won't be able to share your location. Step 2. Enable Share My Location. Next, go back to Settings and tap your name at the top. Select Find My and make sure Share My Location is turned on. If this option is off, your location won't be shared with anyone. Step 3. Check Find My settings. Now open the Find My app. Tap Me at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that Share My Location is enabled. If that you're sharing from the correct device. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Location sharing requires an active internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. Step 5. Allow location access to Find My. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, Find My. Set it to while using the app or always for accurate and consistent location sharing. Step 6. Turn on Find My iPhone. Head to Settings, Your Name, Find My iPhone. Make sure this feature is enabled. It helps your device share its location correctly. Step 7. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes affect location services. Step 8. Restart your phone. Now restart your iPhone. A simple restart refreshes system services and can fix small glitches. Last option, update iOS. If the issue still continues, go to Settings, General, Software Update and install any available updates. Software bugs can sometimes cause location sharing problem. Important tips: make sure the person you're sharing with has not stopped sharing their location. Confirm that your Apple ID is signed in properly. Turn off low power mode if your location is not updating. And that's it. These steps should fix Share My Location not working on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips and these solutions.